Hello, Vacation Missy here. We're at the Doubletree in Fiji, checking out our room. We're in bungalow number 28. Ta-da! Okay, so you walk in, there's a nice large bed here. It looks like maybe at one point there was a second bed, but they took it out. So there's another nightstand there. It looks like it has an adjoining room. A nice little couch area here. They have water with flowers. What else? A refrigerator with milk, so maybe that's intentional because we saw that in somebody else's room. The other room we checked out. So we'll have two different rooms here, a regular one and a bungalow. We're here with friends. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay, they have some cards about showing the earth that you care and like making sure that you decide if you want your bedding to be washed every day. There are two glasses under the sink, a double sink, a beautiful flower. It looks like some things dripped out of the lotion there. Okay, what do we have? We have ironing board, an iron, a safe, two drawers. We have slippers, robes, an umbrella, and then the bathroom, which has a toilet here, as well as a shower. So yes, really nice. Oh, let's go out to the balcony and see what that looks like. If I can figure out how to open it. Okay. Yeah. This is the oceanfront bungalow. And we can come outside. Okay, it has a table with two chairs, a nice little couch area. And then we can see the beach. Amazing. Looks like some people relaxing on hammocks out here. It's really quiet and relaxing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Excellent room. Like and subscribe.